That's how you do it. Did you know that you can sneeze anytime with this method? So I know many people enjoy to sneeze, me too. And my brother showed me how to do it. So to do it, you need to have something sharp, like a piece of paper rolled like this, or a toothpick, but not too sharp so you won't damage yourself. So what you need to do with this is to put it inside your nose and stretch the wall inside your nose. So imagine this is a wall inside your nose and you do movements like this. And you have to find the right spot and eventually you will sneeze. It takes like 10-15 seconds. I will show you. So I put it in my nose.